Will my home county find out about an arrest in another county? Attorney Gary Medlin explains that. When a person is placed on probation, they are usually given a condition which requires them to disclose any arrests or offenses for which they're accused or found guilty while they're on probation. If a person is on probation in one state and gets arrested or accused of a crime in another state, then the probation officer supervising the probation may not find out about it, especially if it's just a misdemeanor. It's much more likely that they'll find out if it's a felony, but even in those situations, they sometimes won't find out. If they do find out, then that can be used as a reason to possibly revoke their probation. If the only allegation is the offense in another state, then it can often be difficult for the prosecution to prove that the person committed a criminal offense in another state. If they're found guilty of it in another state, then the prosecution may just be able to prove they were found guilty by producing records of the conviction. Sometimes these records are insufficient, and we can win the hearing based on insufficiency of the records to prove something. If it's an offense in the same state, then it's much more likely that the probation officer would find out about it. Oftentimes, if we're helping someone who's on probation in another state and they're accused of an offense in our state, we can get a favorable resolution quickly and prevent them from ever having any difficulty with their probation in their home state. That can also be true if they're on probation in another county in Texas. If we can successfully handle their new offense or allegation here, that can possibly keep them from ever having any trouble on their probation in another county in Texas. If you are in need of powerful or strong criminal defense, contact the Medlin Law Firm in Fort Worth, Texas for a free case evaluation.